What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I just want to give a brief description of a mini series that I will be starting for my stock portfolio going from €0 to 100,000. The purpose of these videos will be to capture all the ups and downs while creating this portfolio starting from zero, and also to capture all the mistakes and also everything I've done correct, so that you guys might be able to take something from this while creating your own portfolio. I know it's been a few weeks since I've uploaded a video to this channel, and the reason for this is because I've been on annual leave for the last few weeks from my regular 9 to 5 job, and during this time I've come up with a strategy or game plan of how I want to get from a 0 to 100,000. This channel is currently on 182 subscribers, so it'd be very good if we could get to 200 by the end of this week. So if you haven't done so already, I'd be very grateful if you could subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be using two separate brokers during this challenge, the first being Degiro and the second being Trading 212. There's a few reasons behind this, and one of the main reasons is due to consumer protection. In the unlikely scenario of one of these brokers going bust, you need to ensure that you are covered. For example, there's no point in having €100,000 in the Degiro account where you'd only be protected up to one-fifth of that. Both Degiro and Trading 212 are regulated by top financial institutions, and you're covered up to €20,000 for Degiro, and you're covered up to €85,000 by Trading 212. So in order to limit exposure risk, I'm doing this challenge with two brokers, Degiro and Trading 212. Just a quick summary to capture what we've talked about so far. I will be using both brokers to ensure I'm covered. This will be tracking my journey from €0 to 100,000. This portfolio will be a mixture of growth and dividend stocks, and diversification is key. So over the last few weeks, I've made a plan. I've made also a plan of action, and also I've created the goals that I want to achieve. This portfolio will comprise of 25 companies, and the reason for this number is I feel that 30 companies plus you're over diversified, and also under 25 companies I feel you're open to exposure. I'll be investing across all 11 sectors to ensure I'm diversified, as about 60% of my portfolio will be dividend stocks. I'll be reinvesting dividends to gain a compounding effect. And as I will be drip feeding money in over the weeks and months, I'll be dollar cost averaging to ensure I get the best price possible. My diversification plan is as follows. I want 4% allocated to each of the 25 companies adding up to the 100%. I want one company in the energy sector, one company in the materials, two in industrials. In consumer discretionary, I want three companies. In consumer staples, I also want three companies. I want three companies in the healthcare sector and also in the financial sector. I want technology to have four companies, which will add up to 16%. In the communication services sector, I want two companies. In utilities, I want two. And in real estate, I want one. So as you can see on screen, this is the brief plan of the sector allocation that I want in this portfolio. And one of the main reasons why I opened the Trading 212 account is due to fractional shares, so I can constantly drip feed funds into my portfolio. So as a start, I have deposited €1,892.25. Later on today, once the markets open at 2:30 GMT Irish time, I'll start to invest into companies. Now that I have a plan in place, I'll be tracking all the ups and downs throughout these videos while creating this portfolio. I will be giving a step-by-step guide as I buy each company or rebalance and the reasons behind each of these. The most important step now that I have created a plan is to pick the 25 companies that I'll be allocating to this portfolio. In my opinion, one of the most important steps to creating a long-term investment portfolio is organization and tracking. I will be creating a portfolio tracker and also a percentage tracker to see how far I am from reaching my goals, and also to see how each of the 25 companies are doing. Are they up or are they down? So today's video was just a very short video just to outline what the plan of action is for this series going forward. I'm really looking forward to seeing how the stock portfolio will perform over the coming weeks, months, and even years. So that being said, thanks very much for watching today's video. It'd be great if you could subscribe to this channel and like the video. And most importantly, I'd be very grateful if you could comment below with your views and opinions on this portfolio idea. Do you feel that 25 companies is over diversified or even under diversified in your opinion? And also, how many companies do you have in your own portfolio? and what are your own goals going forward. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.